Good morning to you all. Is it audible? Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. Just I will upload material and then we will start. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, I think Subhashis you attended yesterday. Who are new today? MNK, Yogesh, Abhi, Gaurav. Okay guys, today just for the first 5 minutes we will look at the topics. What are the different topics in aptitude, that is in arithmetic. Then we will discuss a topic concept called partnership. So these are the concepts in arithmetic. So averages, problems on ages, percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, ratio, proportion, time and work, pipes and systems. There is a list of the topics which we are going to discuss. Finally, data interpretation, and preferably data interpretation. It won't be for clerical examinations. It is only for bank PO examination. So that we will discuss the concept later. Clear? Okay, how many of you applied for IBPS clerical examination? IBPS CWE, Common Written Examination. Okay. So okay, we will do one thing. Today we will start up with the concept partnership. Okay. So today the concept is okay. So first we will discuss what is this concept, and then we will discuss the problems in this topic. Okay, let us take, so first one, let us take Gaurav and Subhashis started a business by investing 1 lakh and 2 lakhs. Gaurav and Subhashis started a business by investing 1 lakh and 2 lakhs. At the end of the year, a profit of 60,000 is recorded. Now tell me, will Gaurav and Subhashis will distribute the profit equally? You can enter your answer in the chat box. So Gaurav and Subhashis started a business by investing 1 lakh and 2 lakh rupees. At the end of the year, a profit of 60,000 is recorded. Will they distribute the profit equally? No. Why? So simple, they invested different amount. So one person invested 1 lakh and another invested 2 lakhs. So there is a one factor which affects, that is the investment. So the profit will be distributed according to their investment. So let us take Yogesh and Swati started a business by investing 2 lakh rupees each. Yogesh and Swati started a business by investing 2 lakh rupees each. But Yogesh invested 2 lakh rupees for 6 months, whereas Swati invested 2 lakh rupees for 1 year. Now tell me, will they divide the profit? Let us take the profit at the end of the year is some 80,000 rupees. Now tell me, will they divide the profit equally? Investments are same, but the time period, no, because again there is another factor which we can call it as a time period. So from these we can say that the profit will be distributed according to their investment and time period. Is it clear? So there are two factors in which we are going to distribute, that is the investment and time period. That is the simple concept we can say. Profit and depends on investment and time period. So we'll start up a simple case. Let us take first case. Look, let us take Sandeepan and Gaurav started a business. Sandeepan and Gaurav started a business by investing 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. At the end of the year, a profit of 90,000 is recorded. What is the share of Sandeepan? Started a business by investing 2 lakh and 3 lakh rupees. A profit of 90,000 is recorded. What is the share of Sandeepan? Look here, he didn't mention anything about the time period. So we can say that the profit will be distributed according to their investment, that is 2 lakh and 3 lakhs, that is the investment ratio is 2:3. So 2:3, then you can say the total is, you can say some 5 parts. So the total, the profit will be distributed according to the 90,000. So each part will be 18,000. So what is the share of Sandeepan? Sandeepan is having 2x, that is 36,000 is the share of Sandeepan. Is it clear? So simple, the first thing, if the time period is same or constant, then the profit will be distributed according to their investment. So let us take MNK, okay, just Avi and MNK, okay. So next, what does it mean by MNK? Yeah, MNK, full name? Okay, let us take Abhi and MNK started a business by investing 1 lakh and 2 lakh rupees. After 6 months, Nandakishore. Okay, Nandakishore. Abhi and Nandakishore started a business by investing 1 lakh and 2 lakh rupees. After 6 months, Nandakishore left the business. After 6 months, Nandakishore left the business. At the end of the year, a profit of 44,000 is recorded. What is the share of Nandakishore? Started a business by investing in 1 lakh and 2 lakh. After 6 months, MNK left the business. He said at the end of the year, look, the profit will be calculated every year. So at the end of the year, a profit of 44,000 is recorded. What is the share of MNK? Anyone? Okay. Look, in the previous question, the time period is constant. It is a 1 year. Please repeat question. Okay, look, Abhi and MNK started a business by investing 1 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees. After 6 months, MNK left the business. So that is, he is in the business for the first 6 months. After 6 months, he left the business. At the end of the year, a profit of 44,000 rupees was recorded. Find the share of MNK. Swati, is it clear? Look, okay, so Abhi invested 1 lakh rupees. So for 1 year, but he said after 6 months. So I'm taking in months. 1 lakh is for the whole 12 months. MNK invested 2 lakh rupees. That is only for 6 months. What is the ratio? 1:1. So the profit will be divided in the ratio 1:1. What is the share of MNK? That is 22,000. Is it clear? Okay. We'll go for the next one. Let us take Swati started a business. Swati started a business by investing 5 lakh rupees. After 4 months, Sandeepan joined her. Let us take after 4 months. Sandeepan joined her by investing 8 lakh rupees. So Swati started a business by investing 5 lakh rupees. After 4 months, Sandeepan joined her by investing 8 lakh rupees. Find the share of Sandeepan out of an annual profit of let us take some 3,10,000 rupees. Now tell me the answer. So Swati started a business by investing 1 lakh rupees. After 4 months, Sandeepan joined her by investing 8 lakh rupees. Find the share of Sandeepan out of an annual profit of 3,10,000 rupees. 1,60,000 exactly. Look, here Swati started a business by investing 5 lakhs. So that will be for 1 year. That is for 12 months, right? After 4 months, Sandeepan joined her by investing 8 lakhs. 8 lakh rupees. So Sandeepan joined her after 4 months. That is, he in the business for only 8 months. So the ratio will be 60:64. We can say 15:16 is the ratio. 15:16. That is 31 parts is equal to 3,10,000. So 1 part is equal to 10,000. You get. You can say 31 parts is equal to 3,10,000. So 1 part is equal to 10,000. So Lakshmi, okay. So asking to repeat from which place? Like, repeat the question or from which part you are asking? Yeah, Lakshmi, you asked it, repeat again. Which part? What about remaining? Is it clear to all? Remaining Sandeepan, Swati, Abhi, MNK. I don't know about Lakshmi what she is asking. She is asking to repeat his problem or the whole. In the shortcut. Look, it's simple. I'm writing the question and then substituting the. We can't say that is a shortcut method. So we are hardly having two steps, right? For this particular concept, we are having only two steps: investment into time period. Even if it is a shortcut, so you are having only two steps. The profit will depend on investment time period. The investment into. Okay, sorry, even if it is a shortcut in the sense, okay, that we will discuss by the end of the class. Now, what I'm getting, look at, because we're having only two steps in the problem, we're still asking for shortcut. Look in this, it's fine, noise in background. I know, okay. Still, is it there? Now? Is it clear now? Is it clear or still you are having disturbance? I'm not getting some yes, it's a bit okay. Look, beside to my home there is a temple. There is some function going over there. Hope I think that's the reason. Okay, so we discussed in the partnership some three different concepts. So we can say that first one, the profit will be distributed according to their investment and time period. The second is if the time period is constant, the profit will be distributed according to their investment. And the next one is that is he left the business after a certain period of time or joining the business after a certain period. So and finally one more, the last method is there. Now tell me, let us take Raj and Abhi started a business. Raj and Abhi started a business by investing some money. Let us take by investing some money that they are in the ratio. Let us take some 1:2. Raj and Abhi invested some money in the ratio 1:2. At the time of starting, they decided that 10% of the profit will go to 10% of the profit goes to charity. 10% of the profit goes to charity. So now tell me, will they divide the profit at the time of starting or will they, look, there is a one thing, 100% is the total profit. Let us take 100% is the total profit. So now tell me, first will they distribute the profit and then give it to the charity, or first will they give it to charity and then will they distribute the profit? Still noise is there? think SWOT is so lot of noise. Still. First charting and then they divide. So 100% will be the total profit. From these total profit, 10% will be given it to charity. Remaining 90% of the profit will be distributed in between Raj and Abhi. So what they will do is, first they will go, let us say the ratio of Raj and Abhi is 1:2 investment ratio. The share of Raj is some 1,000 rupees. Find the total profit. So you want to find Raj share as some 1 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 1,000 rupees. The total profit 3,000. 3,000 is nothing but 90% of the profit. That means so 90% is equal to Raj plus Abhi, the total amount. 100% is how much? So 100 by 90 into plus the amount distributed in between Raj and Abhi. Is it clear? Lakshmi, Swati, Basavaraj. So simply this is about concept. Profit will be distributed according to their investment and time period. We came across some 2-3 different cases, and finally one of the important questions, that is by giving it to surety. So now we will go to the problems and then we will discuss. So look at the first question, try to solve that one. X and Y started a business by investing 30,000 and 45,000. Find the share of each out of an annual profit of 75,000. Solve and tell me the answer. First question. Okay. Anyone? No one. Thank you. $30,000 and 45,000. Look, X and Y started a business by investing 30,000 and 45,000, where I can say that 30 is to 45. Even we can go for 15 twos are 15 threes are. So 2 is to 3 is the ratio. So 2 is to 3. 5x is 75,000. X is equal to 15,000. That is very easy sum. Okay. So the profit will be 2 is to 3. You get 30 and 45,000. Is it clear? Okay. Look at the second question. A and B started a business by investing 21,000 and 36,000. After 8 months, B left the business. Find the share of each out of an annual profit of 45,000. Try to solve it. The second question. Look, already I gave you the inputs for these questions. That is with the examples using the case 1, case 2 and case 3. Now solve the second question. Anyone? Shall answering. $21,000, $36,000. So look, 21,000 is for 1 year, 36,000 for 8 months. There is no need of writing these three zeros. You can cut it short. Even if you write, that is a time waste. So 21, 36 you can write. So we know 12 ones are 12, 3s are 3 ones are 3, 7s are 7:8 is the ratio. According to these ratio, the profit will be distributed. So what is the profit? 45,000. So 45 means you know that 15x, you can take it as a 45,000. X is equal to 3,000. So what is the question asked here? Find the share of each. You want to find. So that will be 21,000 and 24,000. Is it clear? Yeah, exactly. Look, if you are solving the question, don't use the pen. You can say that there is a 21,000 and 36,000. Three zeros, three zeros. Don't write 21 and 36. So after 8 must be left. 21 into 12 is to 36 into 8. You will get the answer. So now look at the third question. Ajay started a business with 42,000 rupees and is joined afterwards by Vijay with 72,000 rupees. After how many months did Vijay joined if the profits at the end of the year are divided equally? Solve the third question. Look, these problems, if the profit is divided equally, we know that profit is equal to investment into time. If the profit is divided equally, you can take I1 T1 is equal to I2 T2. Now solve the question and tell me the answer. Yes, is it okay to you, or do you ask me to solve each and every question? Good, Joydev, Swati, MNK, Basuraj. Let me know. If you ask me, sir, will you do you explain? Then I will explain. Otherwise, I will give you 1 or 2 minutes time so that try it on your own, and then I will explain which one is better. Explain the answer. Sure, I will explain. No issues. First, try to solve on your own, and then I will explain the step by step. Okay. Okay. Look. So we're looking for third question, right? So Ajay started a business with 42,000 and is joined afterwards by Vijay with 72,000. After how many months did Vijay join if the profits at the end of the year are divided equally? So if the profits are divided equally, so I1 T1 is equal to I2 T2. So what is the investment of Ajay? 42,000 rupees. 42,000 for 1 year, that is 12 months. Let us take it is Ajay and it is Vijay. So Vijay investment is 72,000. We don't know about the time period. So 2 ones are 12, 6 jar, 6 ones are 6, 7s are. So T2 is equal to 7 months. Look, these 7 months, Vijay is in the business for 7 months. But the question asked is, after how many months did Vijay join? So that is after 5 months. Exactly. Look, we got the time period as 7 months. 7 months is, Vijay is in the business for 7 months. That is, he joined after 5 months. Go for the next question. So next question, try to solve this on fourth one. X, Y and Z started a business by investing 30,000 rupees each. After 6 months, A withdrawn 5,000, B invested 10,000 rupees more and C withdrawn 10,000 rupees. Find the share of each out of an annual profit of 1,05,000 rupees. So write about X, what happened for X in 1 year, Y in 1 year, Z in 1 year, and then you will get the ratio. Look, the profit will be divided annually. So you want to talk about X for 1 year, Y for 1 year, Z for 1 year, and let me know the ratio. Okay guys, listen. So they started business by investing 30,000 rupees each. 30,000 each. After 6 months, that is 30,000 rupees is for first 6 months. So what happened after 6 months? A withdrawn 5,000 rupees. So after 6 months, A withdrawn 5,000, that is 25,000 rupees is the investment for next 6 months. So for Y it is for the first 6 months. After 6 months, Y invested 10,000 rupees more. So 10,000 rupees more means 40,000. That will be for the next 6 months. So it will be for the first 6 months. But Z withdrawn 10,000 rupees. That is 20,000 rupees is for the next 6 months. Look, it's a bit time taking problem. If it is a method, it is a time taking. So if the same type of question appears, you can solve it later, like you can round it time taking, then if finally time permits you can go ahead, otherwise you can leave the question. So 30 into 6, 1 lakh 8, 1 lakh 80 plus 1 lakh 50, you will get some 3 lakh 30,000 rupees is the investment. So 1 lakh 80 plus 2 lakh 40, 4 lakh 20,000, 180 plus 1.2, that is you will get some 3 lakhs. It's just simple. There is no need of writing these zeros. Only we can say that 33 is to 42 is to 30. So he said the profit is, the total is 105. He said the profit is 1 lakh 5,000. Simple. One part is equal to morning, Roshan. Good morning. 1,000. So what is the share of each? You can say 33,000. 30,000. I came like no issues. No issues. We can say for this person 42,000. Is it clear? This problem, especially this question. Yeah. Look, one thing, don't take it as a common, because normally what a few people will do is, sir, 30,000 rupees for the 6 months, that is a same. We will take it as a common. We can say 25, 40, 20, that is a ratio. That is wrong, because we are calculating the profit annually. If you are calculating annually for each person, you want to take what happened to each person whole 1 year. Just imagine if there is a ratio, let us take 1 is to 1 is to 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4. Sir, let us take it is A, B, C. Yeah, look, I agree with you, but if it is a in-depth, we don't have a other choice for this particular question. Normally they won't ask, but I'm giving you an input for this particular question. So we can't cancel 1, 1, 1, taking 2 is to 3 is to 4. First we want to do the ratio will be some 3 is to 4 is to 5. We can't take 2 is to 3 is to 4. Is it clear? Particularly this one. Try to solve the fifth question. Fifth one. The profit ratio of Salman, Shahrukh and Sanjay is 3 is to 5 is to 7. If Shahrukh's share of profit is 18,000 more than Salman, 18,000 more than Salman, then share of Sanjay is. He said Shahrukh's share of profit is 18,000 rupees more than Salman. Then the share of Sanjay is. Anyone? Salman, Shahrukh and Sanjay. Like 35,000. Look, the question asked is the share of Sanjay, right? Sanjay, 18,000. Check it once, Jaydev. So that is Joydev. Okay. Check it once. 1,85,000. Look, their invest profit ratio is 3 is to 5 is to 7, right? He said Shahrukh's share of profit is 18,000 rupees more than Salman. Look, Shahrukh got, let us take some 5x. Salman got 3x. Shahrukh got 18,000 rupees more than Salman. So can I say that 2x is equal to 18,000? If Salman got, let us take some 30 rupees, Shahrukh will get 50. Joydev 27. No. Is it clear? Shahrukh got 18,000 rupees more than Salman. So the difference is 2x. 2x is equal to 18,000. Is it clear? Joydev, Swati, Basavaraj. Okay. And now is this step clear? 2x. The difference is 18,000 rupees. What about MNK, Swati, Sandeepan, Jaydev, Subhashis, Roshan, Archana, Basavaraj, Nag? Clear. So we will get x is equal to 9,000 rupees. So what is the share of Sanjay? Sanjay got 7x. 7 into 9,000. 63,000 is the profit of Sanjay. Clear? 3 is to 5 is to 7. Shahrukh's share of profit is 18,000 rupees more than. Exactly. Sanjay will be 7 into 9,000. It is also right. 18,000 plus 3x. That you can solve. Now we'll move to the next question, that is the sixth one. X and Y invests 9,000 and 12,000 rupees in a business. X doubles his capital after 6 months. In what ratio should A and B divide that year's profit? Now tell me the ratio. Look, it is the same question like the previous one, XYZ for a certain period of time, like that sixth question. So try to solve that one, sixth one. Okay, look. Sixth question. X invest 9,000 and Y invest 12,000. First I will take it as a 9 and 12 ratio. But he said that after 6 months, that is 9,000 is for the first 6 months, X doubled his investment, that is 18,000 into 6. So here the 12,000 will be for the whole 1 year. How much you get? What is the ratio? That is, you will get 54,000 plus 1,08,000 is equal to 144. 1,44,000. 1,62,000 is to 1,44,000. Three zeros will get cancelled. 142 is to 166. What is the ratio given here? You asked that what is the profit ratio. Simplify how much you will get. If you go 9 ones are 72, 9 eights are 18 is to 16, even we can say that 9 is to 8, right? Subhash's answer 9 is to 8. Is it clear? Okay. Sandeep, at the end we got Ashna's. Clear. Okay. We'll go to the next question. That is the seventh one. Look, X, Y, and Z together started a business. X invests 4 times of Y. Y invests half of Z. Find the share of each out of an annual profit of 42,000 rupees. Look, it's a simple. X, Y, and Z. X invests 4 times of Y. Y invests half of Z, right? Look, there are 3 persons, X, Y, Z. So X invests 4 times of Y and Y invests half of Z. So we can take Z value as some A. But he said that Y invests half of Z. Then we want to take A by 2. Then that is a calculation time taking process. Okay. What I will do is, let us take Z invested 2A. What will be the investment of Y? Y invests half of Z. What is the investment of Y? That is A. Simple. If you take here A, then you want to go for A by 2. That is the time taking. So X invests 4 times of Y. That is 4A. Simple, you can say 4 is to 1 is to 2. Total will be some 7x or 7A, that is equal to 42,000 given. I can say 7A, you can take. A is equal to 6,000. What is the question asked? Find the share of each. So you can say 24,000, 6,000 and 12,000. Is it clear? Look, sometimes the question will be Y invested 2/3 of Z. Let us take if he gives some ABC given. It's not that question. If he says B invests 2/3 of C, at that time take C as X, C as 3X, B will be 2 by 3 into 3X. B will be 2X, that will be easy to solve. If you take here some X, 2 by 3X, that is a time taking. Is it clear? Ocean, what about remaining? Clear. Next question. Look, A, B and C entered into partnership. A invests some money at the beginning, B invests double the money after 8 months, C invests triple the money after 8 months. Find the share of each out of an annual profit of 33,000 rupees. Try to solve this question. 8th one. So if you don't know money, take some money as X. Anyone? Answer for the seventh question. Sorry, not the seventh, eighth one. Okay, listen. A, B, and C started a business. That is 11,000 rupees each. Look, A invests some money at the beginning. So let us take some X. Beginning means that is for 1 year. B invest double the money after 6 months. That is, investment of B will be 2x. That will be for only 6 months because B joined after 6 months. So C invested triple the money. Is it triple? Triple the money after how many months? For only 4 months. We'll get 1:1:1. So the total profit given is 33,000 rupees. So share of each by 3 will get 11,000 rupees each. Is it clear? Nog, Basuraj, Lakshmi, Archana, MNK, Sandeepan. Okay. To go for the next question. Okay. Now we finish with this question. Now look at the ninth question, try to solve that, because in this concept they are giving some percentage to the charity. So read the question clearly and try to solve this one. A and B invest in a business in the ratio 7:5. 10% of the total profit goes to charity. If B's share of profit is 750, then the total profit is anyone? Hey guys, listen. Look, A and B invest a business in the ratio 7:5. They decided that 10% will be given it to charity. He said B's share of profit is 750. Look, whatever it may be, the total profit will be 100%. So he said 10% to charity. 90% is the remaining. It is the total profit. 90%. So this 90% is divided in between A and B. So he said that the investment of B is 750. Can I say that 5x is equal to 750? 7 is to 5. B's investment of the is 750. 5x is equal to 750. X is equal to, you will get 150. The total is, sorry, that is a profit, I am sorry. Total profit is 12x, that is in between A and B. We get 12 into 150. So the amount distributed in between A and B is 18,000. 18,000 is nothing but 90% of the profit. So 90% is 18,000. 100% is, look, 80% is the it's not the total profit. 18%, 18,000 is the amount which is distributed between A and B, but the total profit is 100%, where they decided that 10% will be given it to charity, remaining 90%. 90% of the profit is 18,000. 100 is how much? So 100 by 90 into 80,000. Okay, but he asked us to go for total charity, right? 20,000 rupees. So what they did, total is 20,000 rupees. Charity 10% is, right? That is 2,000 given it to charity. Remaining 18. 1 second. I'm sorry, it is at 2,000. I'm sorry. One second. Give me a second, just I will explain. I'm sorry, I did a mistake. It is look, I'm sorry, I did a mistake. Look, how much will get? 1800. So 90% is 1800, 100% is how much? You will get 2,000 rupees. So 2,000 rupees is the total profit, that is total profit is 2,000. 10% is 200, that is given 1,800 is the remaining, that is distributed in between A and B in the ratio. So B will get some 750, A will get 1,050. The ratio is 7:5. Is it clear? Is it clear? I did a small mistake and I'm sorry. We will go for the next question. So next is the 10th one. Look, X and Y started a business where X is working and Y is a sleeping partner. The investment of X and Y are 50,000 and 30,000. X receives 20% of the total profit for managing the business, and the rest being divided in the proportion of the capitals. Find the share of X out of an annual profit of 18,000. So simple, the investment ratio is 5:3. So that is a 10th question, right? So their investment ratio is 5:3, 50,000 and 30,000. So you who is running the business, Y will get 20% of the total profit for managing the business. The profit is 18,000. Look, the profit is 18,000. Let us take X and Y. So Y will take 20% of the profit for running the business, because X is a sleeping partner. So he said 18,000. So 18,000, from these 18,000, 20% deduct 20%, that is 3,600. What will be the remaining? 14,400 will be distributed between X and Y in the ratio 5:3. Let us take 5x and 3x. 8x you will get. How much you will get? 8x is equal to 14,400. You get some x is equal to 1,800. So A will get 9,000 and Y will get 5,400. But Y, if it is about Y, I am writing here just. So about Y, 5,400 is the profit plus 20% of the profit for running the business, that is 3,600, is equal to 9,000 rupees. So Y will get 9,000 rupees and X will get 9,000. But the thing is, actually the ratio is different. But Y, for running the business, he is getting 20% of the profit. Is it clear? Joydev, Archana, Subhashis, Swati, Sandeepan, MNK. Is this problem clear? Okay, then one more, I think one more question left. So the last question. A's share in a business is 8,000 rupees more than B, but A's capital is invested for 8 months while B's for 1 year. If their annual shares of profit are equal, then A's capital is. Try to solve this question. The last question. Is anyone? 24,000. 1 second, we'll check. Look, he said the profits are divided equally, right? Let us take A's investment is 8,000 rupees more than B. Let us take A and B. Let us take B investment as X. A invest 8,000 rupees more than B. So he said, look, A share in a business is 8,000 rupees more than B, but A's capital is invested for 8 months while B's for 12 months. He said the profits are divided equally. So it is for whole 1 year, it is for 8 months. He said the profits are divided equally. Simple, we can say I1 T1 is equal to I2 T2. So what is this? How much you will get? 8x plus 64,000 is equal to 12x. So can I say that 4x is equal to 64,000? X is equal to 16,000, right? So he asked what is the investment of A. So what is the investment of A? X plus 8 is the investment of A. That is 16,000 rupees plus 8,000. So that is equal to X invested 24,000 rupees where Y invested 8,000 rupees. Is it clear? Question clear. What about the remaining? Swati, MNK, Sandeepan. Look, this is about today's class. There is a partnership. Now let me know if you have any doubts. So any doubts? Today we will discuss the topic partnership. If you have any doubts, let me know. How to solve in less time? Look, and how to solve? Okay, coming to that point. Look, we have the last 5 minutes. Look, whatever may be the question given, don't write the step by step. Simple thing is, look at the question, try to solve in that question. Let us take the 50th question. The profit ratio of Salman Shahrukh is 3:5:7. Shahrukh's share of profit is 18,000, more than Salman. More than Salman, Shahrukh, what is here? 2x. 2x is equal to 18,000, x is equal to 9,000. What is the 7x? You know, 7, 9, 63,000. That's the way to solve. Because only to explain, I am writing each and every step. If it is a coming to an examination, look, 9,000 and 12,000. You can say 9,000 for 6 months, I can say 54 directly. Don't use the pen. Max, try to avoid the pen. Look at the question, understand, and then solve. Look, what normally we think is, we think that sir, aptitude is all about numerics. Don't think that is only one side of the coin. We think that it is only calculation, but the another side of the coin is how you read the question, how you interpret, what is the logic, how you find, that counts. Look, for to solve these aptitude, we need the math calculations. That is a one thing. But read number of questions, solve number of questions, try to solve, practice. That's a way to short. Even a big problem can be solved in a less time. Okay. Okay. Do one thing. I think you are in your homes, right? So sit for 1 hour, try to solve these concepts, partnership in any book. Try to solve a few questions. If you have any doubts, ask me in the next class. I don't know about the next class.